Ben Beaton here. We're looking at one of the works that I created on my residency at Sugarloaf Mountain Retreat, which is west of Toowoomba. The work can be viewed at benbeaton.com.au and at getabstractwallart.com in the artist residency section. This is a vantage point from the western side of Sugarloaf Mountain, looking at the sunset, and it was an incredible location. I highly recommend it. And the thing that I was thinking about, I'd actually climbed halfway up an extinct volcano. Sugarloaf Mountain is one of the 27 known volcanoes, I believe, that make up um, the main range at Toowoomba. The volcanism stretching from 27 million years ago to approximately 18 million years ago, I believe. And it's also interesting because the volcanism actually occurred rising up out of these sandstones from over 100 million years ago. Interesting. So whenever you go down the range, you're moving from rock that's on the eastern side. In fact, further west you go, the older the volcanoes are. So the Sugarloaf Mountain is one of the oldest at that 27 or so million year mark, and when you get to the actual main range itself, when you're about to go down the range, they're about 20 to 18 million years old, I believe. And so, reflecting on all of this interesting information that I'd been learning on the volcanism of the Toowoomba region and beyond that, I put this map in here, and you can see as Australia has drifted north, you have these hot spots that it goes over, and periodically you get this volcanism. These little triangles are actually volcanoes. So you can see along these different lines, you've got Australia drifting north and the volcanism periodically going off. An example of that, for instance, is the Glasshouse Mountains. Now, the same volcanism that formed the Glasshouse Mountains in Queensland also formed Hanging Rock from the famous film Picnic at Hanging Rock in Victoria. So as Australia drifts north, you get this volcanism. It's not necessarily what happened in Toowoomba, but it is one of the interesting facts about this myriad of ways that volcanism can occur. So these are the sort of things that I was reflecting on in at my residency at Sugarloaf Mountain Retreat, and this work was one of the results of those thought experiments. Toowoomba's here. So there's the Gold Coast, Brisbane.